Wow, خلقنا new microscope comes tomorrow. Can't wait to have a look at this. Look at that bit of blue there. Looks like a bit of Tektite. Looks like a bit of glass, am I right? Right. Come back to that in a minute. This new microscope tomorrow's going to be zooming right in them little caves. I'm telling, well, I open it is. And spheres there, look. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. You couldn't picture that any other way, could you? I was going to swear then, I'm sorry, but absolutely lovely. Look at that cave, and I'm trying to zoom in that cave. It's like a pencil microscope I've got coming tomorrow. So we can go in these porous meteorites, but meteorologists say that you can't get. No. This one tells a different story, I should imagine. Hey? Found on a footpath, this. How nice is that? There's that blue again. Let me balance that there. Let me see if I can zoom in a bit more. There we go. Lovely though. Wow, look at that lot of that. I'll come back to this meeting when I get that microscope tomorrow and have a look inside this. See, oh, can't. There's a bit more of that blue there, I can see it, just tiny little bit. Look at that there hiding in there. Just wait till this microscope comes tomorrow, it's like a little pencil thing. It'll be getting right in there. Well, I'm hoping it will, I really do. I'll show you more inside these meteorites. Anyway, I've been doing 10 minutes on this one. I only do 10 minutes on each one. Just having a quick scan about. Look at this patination. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's like looking into another world. Like a galaxy, isn't it? It's just like a galaxy picture. Amazing. Anyway, I hope you've liked it all. The picture will only get better by tomorrow, I hope. Anyway, I'm going to get going. I hope you've liked it. Please subscribe. Press the like button. Meteorite, mate. See you now.